To use a Bitcoin, you need to own and control the address that owns that Bitcoin or fraction thereof. This means you must know or possess the private key associated with that address. A Bitcoin becomes lost if the private key of its address is lost. The reason a lost Bitcoin cannot be restored is that it is not possible to recover the private key associated with an address unless you know the key, and if you know it, the key is not lost. This is entirely fundamental to Bitcoin's design. If you could recover your lost private key, then so too could any number of highly motivated hackers all around the world. You can think of a Bitcoin as a certificate that proves that you have the Bitcoin, and it is encrypted with your wallet password, so you need the password to get the certificate. This is like receiving an encrypted email. You cannot decrypt that. If you have forgotten your passphrase, the message is lost. So a lost Bitcoin is also lost when you forget the password. Since it is really encrypted, there is no way to reset the password.